Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abby, and let's jump into this video. So we're gonna start with the eyebrows. Guys, ignore the disaster that is my eyebrows right now. Let's just keep on moving. Yeah, it's just terrible. I react badly to threading, so I don't even bother with it. So instead, I just make sure I use a very nice highlighter for my eyebrows, just to get rid of those tiny ears in the corner. So I use the Jouer Essential High Coverage Foundation. I usually use this foundation on a normal day, but I love to use it for my eyebrows as well because it has a very nice coverage and it blends well as well. I love my eyebrows looking nice and spicy and glowing everything. So I use the Pore Professional Primer from Benefit Cosmetics for my face. This primer is amazing for a matte stay. This is the primer that you need, especially in summer. Now I'm using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Amber Honey 5N2. This foundation is quite pricey, guys, but it is worth the money. I love it so much. I don't use it a lot because it has a very nice coverage and it just blends well and sits well on my face. So up next, I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn for highlighting. This concealer is literally my go-to concealer. I love it so much. I mean, I use other kinds of concealers, but I love this one especially for highlighting because it gives you that glow. It has a sort of like glow to it and it sits so well on the skin. It blends perfectly, blends nicely. I'm using this beauty blender that I got from a beauty store. I do not like this beauty blender at all, but what can we do? I just keep blending because blending is key, folks. Blending is key. You need to blend that baby up. Now I'm using my Makeup Revolution banana setting powder to set my face. I love this powder so much because it doesn't crack, no flashbacks. It just sets well. It sits so well in the skin. I just love the way it sets and it just absorbs into the skin. Now I'm using my My Glam Bronze Goddess eyeshadow palette. This palette is amazing, you guys. I'm using the colors in chestnut and tan for my upper lids, just as transition colors, just to make my eyeshadow pop out more. Now what I'm just doing is I'm using my Fenty Beauty eye primer. You guys, this primer is a bomb. I love this primer so much. Like, it just works well with my eyeshadow and it makes my eyeshadow sit so well. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette in Sahara Stunner. This is my favorite color in the palette. Like, I use it so much. I just love the soft pinkness to it, and it has this sort of like nice gold undertone, which is amazing. Now I'm using my Makeup Revolution Imogenation palette. You guys, this palette is just £10, but it's amazing. It's so pigmented. It's so nice. Like, it's really worth my money. And I'm just transitioning under my eyelash line as well. So I'm using my Avon Mark Up mascara. You guys, I have no lashes, so this mascara just does the work for me. I have so many mascaras, by the way, but this one is the one that is like literally my go-to. So I just use it for my lower lash line as well because those things are not existent, so I just use this for that. Now to contouring. I love contouring. This is like my favorite part of my makeup. I love contouring so much, and I make sure that I use contour powders rather than the cream ones because the cream ones are nasty. Sorry guys, they're just nasty. So I use the powders. I use this one from Rimmel London. It's amazing. Just snatch up the face, snatch it up, just lose about 2 pounds on the face. I just love to snatch a baby. Now I'm using my Givenchy Prisme Libre powder in Organza Caramel. This powder is so amazing. It blends my makeup so well. It's a perfect finish to your makeup. I love it so much. Worth the money as well. So you just dust it on the face, blend it in and make it work. Now I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Film Noir blush. This blush is so nice. I love it so much because it's dark-ish and I just love the way it has like this really nice subtle color to my face. Now I'm using my Makeup Revolution highlighter. This highlighter is a bomb. You guys, this is £4, but it is amazing. Worth the money. Like, £4, guys. I don't know if you're not having this highlighter. I don't know what you're doing. Honestly, I just wasting your money. This highlighter is a bomb. Any woos, look at me just doing some dance break, you know, just giving you guys some shaku and some zanku, you know, just give it in. Oh girl, then say work it, work it, okay, way body. Anyway, you guys, let's just go back to the lips. I don't know what I was doing, you guys, but I'm just lining my lips now. I got this lip liner from a beauty store for just £1. I really don't know the name of this lip liner, but if you go to any makeup or beauty store in London, you'll find it there. Now I'm using my Trina lipstick in 503. This is a new lipstick. I love it so much, and I just love wearing nude color. I don't know, there's something to nude looks that I just love. Like, it's so subtle, so nice, so simple. I literally do like, I usually do matte lips, but this time I'm just adding some gloss to my lips with some gloss bomb from Fenty, you know, just pop it in. Now I'm using my Skindinavia setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray. I love it so much, but I don't use a lot because, you know, I like to keep my face looking matte and soft. Anyway, that's it guys. That's all I do for my makeup to get this nice amazing look. Look at this Nigerian jollof just looking nice and spicy, you know. She looks good, doesn't she? Ooh, look at that glow. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye.